Kazan Metro is a rapid transit system that serves the city of Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia. The metro system was the 7th open in Russia and the 15th in the former Soviet Union region. Opened on August 27, 2005, it is the newest system in Russia. The first stage of 6 stations features deep-level tunnels and all built by tunnel boring machines, and the stations are either subsurface or elevated. It goes from the north of the city to the southeast of the city. Little of the original Soviet station plans remain in the architecture of the stations, with the emphasis being on traditional Tatar and Islamic motifs as part of modern, high-tech designs. The extension to Prospect Pobyedy opened on December 29, 2008 as the first extension south of Gorky station in the second stage. In 2010, the metro extended across the Kazanka River with the opening of the Kozya Sloboda station. The Kazan Metro opened a 3-station northern extension on May 9, 2013. At present, the Kazan Metro is a single-line system that stretches nearly 17 kilometers and has 11 stations. The newest of the Russian system, it is also the most modern. Smart car ticketing and semi-automated train drive are features that at the time were just being introduced in selected Moscow stations. Like all metros in Russia and the former USSR, each station has its own architectural theme. At present, 2 stations are single-vault and 2 are pillar spans. In addition, 1 station exits on a combined glazed flyover. The metro runs from 6 AM to midnight. The metro also sells smart tokens valid for 1 day and smart cars passes which are valid for several trips or a specified length of time. There are discounted fares for pensioners, students and children. Security is a major issue in the Kazan Metro. Like all modern systems, it is outfitted with CCTV cameras. Each station has its own police group for public order. Professional photography is prohibited. All information and announcements are given in 3 languages: Russian, Tatar and English. Only the 81, 553.3, 554.3 Kazan model was maintained in Kazan Metro since 2005. Trains were produced by St. Petersburg-based Vagonmesh factory in cooperation with Škoda Dopravní Technika of Plzeň, Czech Republic in 2005. These are the most modern models currently in service in Russia and the former Soviet Union, and they are fully automated. As a result, they do not require an engineer or a driver on board, just a supervisor. A total of 16 cars, 4 trains are currently in operation with a capacity of 250 people each. In 2011, new 3-car 81-740, 741 Rasic trains were bought for opening of new Kozya Sloboda station. A total of 27 cars, 9 trains are currently in operation with a capacity of 350 people each. 12 trains, 1 train is reserved, provide 6-minute intervals on the line in rush hours. Daily ridership is 80,000 of passengers. In 2018, annual ridership is 29 million of passengers in 2018. Top speed of the train is 80 km per hour and average speed is 48 km per hour.